In this video, you'll learn how to create gift cards and redeem them on Binance. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to accomplish both tasks effectively, ensuring you understand each part of the process. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and signing into your account. Once signed in, locate the gift card section from the main menu. This area contains all the tools and options related to gift cards. It is important to review the supported cryptocurrencies and denominations available for gift cards in your region. Ensure that you have a sufficient balance in your account, as gift cards require funds to be created and redeemed. After confirming your balance, proceed to create your gift card by selecting the cryptocurrency you wish to use. Next, input the specific amount for the gift card. Once you have made your selections, click on the option to generate the gift card securely. It is crucial to save the gift card code in a safe location, as sharing it publicly can lead to unauthorized use. Additionally, review the validity period of the gift card to ensure it meets your needs. After confirming all the creation details, finalize the process to successfully create your gift card. To redeem your gift card, navigate back to the gift card section and select the redeem option. Here, you will be prompted to enter the gift card code you previously generated. It is important to input this code accurately to avoid any errors. Once you have entered the code, confirm the redemption process. After confirmation, check your wallet balance to verify that the funds have been credited successfully. It is advisable to keep a record of this confirmation for your records. If you encounter any issues during the redemption process, such as an invalid code, it is recommended to contact Binance support for assistance. They can provide guidance and help resolve any problems you may experience. This ensures that you can utilize your gift card effectively without complications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.